If you manage or use a Pixel device, you need to pull down the critical July patch currently waiting in your system settings. This update targets a specific flaw that left some devices stuck in an infinite restart cycle, effectively bricking the phone for affected users. Along with the restart fix, the patch resolves a series of widespread app crashes that were reported across the Pixel lineup. While it lacks high-profile feature additions, the update is a vital maintenance requirement to keep the hardware functional. The reality of mobile software is straightforward. High-level AI tools cannot run on a device if the hardware layer is unable to maintain a basic state of operation. Looking at this 3D representation of Google's current architecture, we can see two distinct efforts happening simultaneously. They are patching foundational bugs in the hardware layer while deploying a significant agentic upgrade to their software. Locking down the hardware failures at the base ensures that the device can actually support the data load required for advanced processing. Once that base is reliable, the software overhaul can proceed, lighting up the top grid with a network of active, complex data streams. To understand the scope of this update, we have to look at three specific areas: the Gemini 3.5 architecture, the anti-gravity framework, and the broader workspace ecosystem. Enterprise application scaling requires this specific balance, maintaining operational stability on one side while introducing new compute capabilities on the other. The most visible part of this software shift went live on July 16, 2026. On that date, Google moved their research tool into their central hub and rebranded Notebook LM as Gemini Notebook. This migration integrates the tool directly into the Gemini app, allowing you to create, chat with, and sync your research notebooks in one place. This integration is driven by the Gemini 3.5 architecture and a specific framework called anti-gravity. These frameworks change how the tool behaves, shifting it from a standard document reader into an autonomous research agent. Moving from a static data processor to an autonomous agent changes the entire workflow for anyone managing complex digital projects. Every notebook now includes a secure cloud computer. This represents a strictly isolated environment for data processing. Within this sandbox, the AI can write and execute its own code to process your data, keeping the calculations confined within these reinforced boundaries. This deterministic approach is a major departure from older models that would often guess at data values or hallucinate numbers when reading a table. By running exact arithmetic and parsing data tables through code, the system snaps chaotic information into a perfectly aligned high-density lattice. These calculations allow the agent to mathematically verify information, ensuring it is grounded in your original sources. For enterprise workflows, deterministic accuracy is the necessary standard for any tool handling financial or proprietary data. Data acquisition has also been automated through start-from-scratch web sourcing. You can now open a blank notebook and type in a concept. The AI will autonomously search Google to pull cited sources directly into your research panel. Once the research is gathered, the upgraded Studio panel provides over 100 different skills for structuring the results. Research can be exported directly into Word, PowerPoint, Excel, or formatted as vector infographics. The Mind Map feature now supports custom prompts to help steer the layout of your information. This allows for the creation of tension maps to analyze conflicting claims, or decision architecture maps for plotting business strategies. Updated study tools like audio overviews, instant quizzes to test knowledge, and progress-tracked flashcards complete the workspace. Combining automated data sourcing with these structured output tools significantly reduces the time needed to compile and visualize research. Beyond research, the mid-July updates introduced three specific improvements to the broader Google Workspace ecosystem. The first change hit Gmail. Previously, the Help Me Write feature was largely automated with very little manual control over the output. You're limited to generic adjustment buttons like Formalize or Shorten to fix a draft. Those buttons were replaced by a precise prompt bar, allowing for custom refinement instructions. You can now tell the AI to make a draft more urgent, more friendly, or to explain a technical concept specifically for a non-technical audience. Google Meet also received a pre-configuration update for the Take Notes for Me feature. Note-taking can now be set to trigger automatically as soon as a call begins, removing the need to manually click record during a presentation. On mobile, the iOS and Android Gmail apps now support full delegation for shared accounts. You can now read and compose emails on behalf of another user directly from your phone, a task previously limited to the desktop version. Shifting from generic AI responses to these custom prompt-driven actions makes the tool a more effective administrative assistant. The third major workspace update expands the Fill with Gemini feature in Google Sheets. The tool acts as a data analyst by recognizing patterns in your rows and predicting the remaining entries, which simplifies manual data entry. This pattern recognition is now available in 11 additional languages. This expansion includes Mandarin, Dutch, Malay, and Indonesian, connecting these tools to major global markets. Localized pattern prediction is a basic requirement for teams managing data preparation on a global scale. This diagram represents the full architectural stack as it stands following the July updates. We can see pulses of data moving from the stable hardware base up into the complex branches of the cloud architecture. Google's strategy this month paired the release of Gemini Notebook with a focus on maintaining the stability of their existing workspace and Android tools. This approach prioritizes a clinical cleanup of everyday tools alongside the launch of more experimental software. The shift from probabilistic guessing to mathematically verified, code-executing sandboxes marks a change in how these tools are expected to perform. This integrated ecosystem is becoming the new operational standard for digital architecture in an enterprise setting. Systemic productivity in this environment requires both the autonomy of advanced AI and the reliability of a stable hardware base.